This is Apple Card, a credit card created by Apple, not a bank. So it's simple, transparent, and private. And it's the only credit card designed to take advantage of the power of iPhone. It works with Apple Pay, so buying something is as easy as, and unlike other credit cards, it helps you easily understand your spending. It's all right here, by week, by month, or by category. And if there's a transaction you don't remember, Apple Card uses maps to show you where it was, like exactly where. Let's talk about rewards. You should get them today, not a month from today. That's why Apple Card gives you daily cash with every purchase. It goes straight to your Apple Cash card so you can spend it, just like cash. No points, no, how do I redeem this again? Time to pay your balance? Check this out. Apple Card makes the interest you pay clear and transparent. Pay off a little, the interest is this much. Pay more, that figure goes down until there's no interest at all. A credit card that encourages you to pay less interest? Imagine that. What you won't pay are fees, because Apple Card doesn't have any fees, not even hidden ones. Apple Card sets a new level for privacy and security. Apple Pay technology creates a unique card number for you and then locks it away in a secure element of your iPhone. And with Face ID and Touch ID, only you can use your Apple Card. Got a question? Just send a text. It's that easy. You don't have to wait on hold or remember your mother's maiden name. And it all lives in the Wallet app on your iPhone, so it's always with you. But if you happen to be somewhere that doesn't accept Apple Pay yet, there's this. Titanium, laser etched, and no number. Nice. This is Apple Card, a new kind of credit card created by Apple.